Standard 6 Disaster Management Part 2. In previous video, we have seen about the natural and man-made disaster. Now we studied about the disaster management. Hello friends, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Disaster management means making plans to face the disaster and developing capacity to do so is called disaster management. To prevent or reduce damage caused by natural or man-made disaster, emergency planning and management is required. The important contact number for disaster management are here. Some remedial and preventive measures are: keep watching TV and radio news and bulletins. The second one is use battery operated radios and mobiles. Third one is carefully follow the warning issued by the meteorological department. Fourth one, visit to the website www.imd.gov.in. Landslide occur in hilly areas due to cloud burst or heavy rains. Therefore, one should not take shelter at the foot of a hill. During flood, do not linger in houses or areas on riverbank. Shelters in the safe places at height should be taken. Do not step into the water currents or drive a vehicle into them. During an earthquake, drop, cover and hold on. It's a preventive measure. During an earthquake, when moving from one place to another, ensure that road is safe. Take shelter in a relief camps which provide medicines and other facilities. Fire extinguisher should be installed at all public places. First aid. Immediately aid even before the medical aid arrive is known as the first aid. First aid is essential during disaster as it can help to save somebody's life. If a person is bleeding externally, then make the injured person sit or lie down. Keep the injured part above the level of the heart, as seen in this picture. Clean the wound with clean water. This is the first aid for external bleeding. The second one is burn and scald. The injured part should be washed with water or held under water. Do not apply oily ointment. Cover wound using dry dressing. Give the victim water to drink. It's for minor burn. For serious burn, give emotional support to the patient. Cover the wound with sterilized cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. Do not touch or burst the blister on the skin. Do not apply oily ointment. Get medical aid at home immediately. Next one is sunstroke. If a person works continuously for a long time in the sun, then body loses water and mineral. This dehydration results in sunstroke. Take the patient to a cool place. Then sponge the whole body with cold water. Give plenty of water or liquid to the patient. When snake bites, then wash the wound with water. Give emotional support to the patient and tie a cloth tightly above the wound. And after that, get immediate medical help. These are the remedial measures. When dog bites, wash the wound with a solution of potassium permanganate and get anti-rabies vaccine under doctor's observation. Cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Students, remember that alertness and immediate action are necessary during disaster. Effective disaster management and use of remedial measures can help to reduce the losses. and every person should know about safety, precautions, and first aid. So, here we finish this topic. Keep watching SKS Educational Classes. Thank you.